I'm Fluffy, your friendly cloud. Today we're going to explore all kinds of weather together. Isn't that exciting? Whether it's sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy, each kind of weather has its own fun stuff to learn. So come along, let's dive into the weather. Ooh, can you feel that? When it's sunny, the sun shines bright in the sky. Who likes sunny days? Did you know that the sun is actually a big burning ball of gas? It's super hot, almost 10,000 degrees on the outside. Whoa, that's hotter than a pizza oven. Let's do the sunshine dance together. Can you all wiggle like warm sun rays? Go ahead, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now let's shout out one thing we love to do on sunny days. Is it playing in the park? Maybe swimming? Did you know that sunny days make plants super happy too? Plants love sunlight because they use it to make their own food. Isn't that amazing? Oh, looks like rain. Who likes splashing in puddles? Did you know raindrops aren't all the same? Some are small and others are big. And raindrops actually look more like tiny hamburger buns than teardrops. Isn't that funny? Let's pretend to be raindrops. Start up high and slowly fall down, down, down. Splash! Amazing splash sounds, everyone. Rain is super important because it fills rivers, lakes, and helps plants grow. Without rain, we wouldn't have flowers, trees, or even drinking water. And that would be pretty tricky, right? Whoa! Windy day alert! Can you all pretend to feel the wind swaying from side to side? Winds happen when air moves from a cold place to a warm place. And guess what? The faster it moves, the stronger the wind. When it's super strong, it can even knock down big trees. Whoosh! Did you know that some animals, like eagles, actually use the wind to fly higher without flapping their wings? They just spread their wings and let the wind lift them up. So cool, right? Brr! It's a snowy day. Who loves making snowmen or snow angels? Do you know that each snowflake has 6 sides? But no 2 snowflakes are exactly the same? Each one is its own special shape. Can you imagine that? Millions of snowflakes and no 2 are alike. That's like a snowflake fingerprint. You all did amazing today learning about the weather. Let's finish with a song to remember all our weather friends.
Sunny, twinkle, windy snow. Now we know how weather goes. Sunny days are bright and warm. Rainy days have plants to form. Windy days make kites fly high. Snowy days bring fun, oh my. Sunny, rainy, windy, snow. Now we know how weather goes. Sunny days are bright and warm. Rainy days help plants to form. Windy days make kites fly high. Snowy days bring fun, oh my. Sunny, rainy, windy, snow. Now we know how weather goes.
Give yourselves a big round of applause. You're all weather experts now. Next time you see the sun, rain, wind, or snow, you'll know just what's happening. And remember, I'll be floating up here, always ready to share more weather fun with you. Goodbye, weather wizards. See you soon. Rain, shine, or snow.